For anybody who's selling or shipping out products of really any kind, packaging should be a top priority. If you're shipping out your orders in blank, generic boxes, you're missing out on a ton of business opportunities. But in this video, we're gonna look over a few specific business-focused labeling ideas for your packaging that are really gonna help you increase customer retention, build your community, and grow your customer base. We're gonna walk you through the process of transforming this pretty boring, blank, generic box into an order that's a lot more memorable, a lot more striking, that's gonna connect with the customer and make a really strong first impression. While we're walking you through that process, we'll also show you how you can do all of these ideas yourself at home while keeping everything really low cost, but really high quality. Let's take a look. Sure, customers probably won't think twice about their order coming in a blank package like this, but there's actually a big difference between something like this that's pretty bland and generic and a package with even just one logo sticker applied to the outside. And that's our first tip. It seems really simple and straightforward, but even including a small logo sticker like this right on your packaging is a really good way to boost your look and your brand image. This way, when your buyer's delivery arrives, they know exactly who it's from. Think about how you feel when a package arrives you've been excited for. The anticipation you get before unboxing is one of the most fun parts. Without any identification on your packaging, you could be missing out on that extra hype. The best route to take for this idea would be die-cut stickers, which are really easy to get your hands on. You can submit your artwork or design it from scratch and order it in whichever size, finish, and material works best for you. And that's a great way to increase brand awareness, but there are even more direct ways that you can use labels to keep customers connected to your brand. For this, we're going to use a QR code sticker and apply it right to the back of the box. With a QR code, you can link your customers directly to a site or page of your choice, and it'll only take them one scan. Here you can send anyone who scans straight to your online shop, website, or social media pages. You can even create specific pages, posts, or videos to accompany individual products. That way, when customers scan, they'll get relevant info for exactly what they ordered, like specific flavors or scents. You can link to other info like product instructions or behind-the-scenes content too, which can save you some more space on your packaging and labels and provide some great content to your customers. It's not hard at all to create your own QR code too. We have a free QR code generator on our website, and all you have to do is input your URL or the info that you want to display, generate your code, and download it. Including a code like this anywhere on your packaging helps buyers easily find your business again to order more. But this process doesn't nearly end on the outside of the package. In fact, there's probably way more opportunities for branding on the inside of your box. For the box we're working with, there's a great space for a label right on the underside of the lid. So we're going to try a few different label ideas here and keep an eye out for something that might inspire you for your packaging. And always take a minute to find out where the most optimal spots for labeling are before you apply. On one of your labels, try including an About Us or Who Are We section. Take this opportunity to humanize your brand and let your customers know more about where their items came from. This really helps you make a connection with your buyers and truly invite them in as part of the brand. It's become really common to include things like thank you cards and stickers right inside your order. You can include a thank you message on the inside of your package too. For ours, we included our QR code and all of our social media handles and usernames so that customers can easily come back for more. Here, you could even try a one-time coupon or a discount code to let the customer know you appreciate their order and increase the odds they'll return to buy more. You can also include things like ingredients here and feature some extra info that customers might have missed out on otherwise. This is a good chance to gift your buyers some exclusive backstory on their items. This is also a prime spot for things like warnings, instructions, or anything else of value to your buyers. You could also show off your other products and offerings, cluing your buyers into what else they might enjoy if they enjoy their first order. If you have any extra wrapping paper, envelopes, or anything inside your package that needs to be sealed, take the opportunity for branding and just use a die-cut sticker that showcases your logo, some graphics, or something else that's going to be of value to the customer. This is a really good way to secure your packaging, make the shipping process safer for your items, and show off your branding. And if you have extra die-cut stickers like we did, it's a really good idea to throw them in your order as extra goodies or gifts. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the before and after. Leveling up the look of your packaging like this is a really easy thing to do, and the payoff is huge. This first package is something that's much more likely to be forgotten about and thrown away, while the second one is clearly put forth by a proud brand who really cares about their customer and is proud to present these items. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you found some really inspiring labeling ideas for your brand or business in this video. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more label related content. We'll see you next week.